Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you are doing well. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can connect your Steam account to your Discord. Okay, so in this case, you have to open or log into your Discord first. After login to Discord, go here settings. You'll find here connections. In this sidebar, you'll find here connections. Click on connections, and then you can see here all of your accounts, all of the accounts which is not added yet, but you can add it if you want. So if you want to add Steam, you can see here Steam. Click on Steam. Your Steam account should be created first. Okay, after created your Steam account, do this. Then just click here sign in. My password is forgotten, that's why I can't sign in, sorry. So after clicking sign in, your Steam account will be connected here. You can see all of my BattleTech, Facebook, Spotify, Twitch, and what is this, YouTube. Okay, you can see here your Steam account too. Okay, like this, or here or here. So guys, this is how you can do this. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.